Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your target weight on the Zepp app for Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Zepp app and tap Health at the bottom of the page. Then under the Target Setting heading, tap on Weight. You can now move the slider to change your weight goal. If you tap Profile in the bottom right corner and then tap My Goals, you can tap Target Weight and change your weight goal from here too. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.